In this video, we're going to take a look at Defactor's Engage tool. Engage is a governance and staking tool, has big benefits and big implications for community. When you open the Engage tool, you'll be greeted with the ecosystem page. After you connect your wallet, you'll be able to take a look at all the information about your token. So the circulating supply, the value locked, the rewards, buybacks, which we'll get to later on. It also provides you here with a list of ecosystem addresses. So for token sales, foundation, for team, ecosystem partners, etc. So once we're in our tool, often what people like to do, customers like to stake because they receive rewards for staking. So with staking, we can see the total value locked, rewards received. There's already some claimable rewards from previously staked tokens. So we'll go down and we can see the pools we have set up. So we have information about the chain that it's on, the collateral, the reward, the APR, which is very important, and the duration as well. So we're going to open a new position on the 0-day lock pool. So it's 2% APR. And we'll put 1,000 sharing into it. So it provides all our information on the side. We'll open our position. We'll confirm it when the wallet pops up. And then we'll verify it. So another benefit that we have when it comes to using the Engage tool is governance. With Engage, you can allow your users to have their say on different aspects of the project. So you can set out a proposal and users will stake tokens to approve or to disapprove or to say no to the proposal. So we can see the most recent one, Do We Love Engage? And it passed with flying colors. So buybacks are also a big feature of Engage. It's a very beneficial tool to have. Buybacks, they enhance the utility and market confidence of a token. A buyback and burn mechanism, it reduces supply over time, which can support price appreciation and stability. So we can see the information here, how many contributors, the foundation, the liquidity is important as well. So we can set up a new buyback. So let's say we want to do just a regular one. We'll set it for 5,000 and we'll initiate it. Confirm, verify. And that's gone through. So another feature we have on the system here is vesting. So vesting is the process of gradually unlocking tokens over a set period of time. Now it's designed to reward sustained contribution. We have all our information about vesting. So we can see already that there's a claimable amount already from previously vested tokens. And vesting is done by batch. So a batch is a single allocation of tokens that vests over time. It's kind of like a bucket of tokens tied to one vesting schedule. So you'll receive 1,000 tokens as a partnership grant. They're set to vest monthly over 12 months. It's one batch. Each month, 1/12 of that batch becomes claimable. So that's Defactor's Engage tool for staking and governance. For any questions or queries or further information, reach out to the Defactor team.
Defactor, from start to scale.